US Nepal relations, a growing partnership in the 21st century. The relationship between the United States and Nepal has grown stronger over the years, marked by cooperation in various sectors including economic development, education, health, and defense. The partnership is rooted in shared values such as democracy, human rights, and the rule of law. On the key aspects of this relationship is the United States supports for Nepal's developments. The Millennium Challenges Corporation's compact, a significant $500 million grant, is a prime example. This grant aimed to improve Nepal infrastructure, particularly in transportation and energy sector, which are vital for the country's economic growth. Moreover, the United States have been a major contributor to Nepal's health and education sector. US funded programs have helped improve healthcare services, enhance educational opportunities, and promote gender equality in Nepal. The two countries also collaborate on security and defense matter. The US provided training and equipment to Nepal's security forces and enhancing their capabilities in disaster response, peacekeeping, and humanitarian missions. Cultural and educational exchanges further strengthen the bond between the two nations, with many Nepali students studying in the US and American tourists visiting Nepal economic landmarks. As the Nepal navigates its development path, the US-Nepal relationship continues to evolve, focusing on mutual interest and a shared commitment to a peaceful and prosperous future for the both nations.